Alrighty, welcome to Unreal Engine ND. Today we're going to go over how to set up a Niagara effect in Unreal Engine with C++. So what I did here was I just included the Niagara function library in the header. So you want to make sure you include Niagara function library, and I included Niagara component, but I'm not using that right now, and that's the header you want to include. Also, what I did was I just do the class Niagara system. I just do the declarations there, and of course you can just do the declarations down here just by typing in class and then go from there. So after I did that, I just did Niagara impact spawn, and I did U property, edit anywhere, blueprint, read write, category combat, meta is true. Then I did the U Niagara system, pointer impact to, let's see, impact Niagara. And you want to do a bone location because I'm going to spawn the Niagara effect from a bone location. Bone location where impact Niagara will spawn. Then when you set up the U property, then we did an F name because the bone location is going to be an F name. So I did impact a bone location. Then you want to jump over to the C++. So I put it within the melee hit interface, the implementation. Now I have here impact sound, and I have impact Niagara. So you can put it where you want to in your project, but I did if impact Niagara. So if we have that set, what you want to do is you want to do an F vector spawn location. Then you want to do the get mesh, get bone location, and then you want to set up the bone location. That's this right here. That impact bone location is what you have. That is what you have set up in the header file. Then you want to do an ebone spaces world space. That's going to be ebone spaces static world space. And then you want to do the U Niagara function library. Spawn system at location, get world, impact Niagara, and you want to set up the spawn location, and we just set up here up top right there. And you want to do get actor location, and that's really all you need to do for the C++ side. So now that we have the C++ set up, you just want to come over here. I'm going to do it on the forced troll, and you want to come down here, and I've got everything set up. I've got my melee attack montage. This is just stuff that I set up within the project, like strafe focused, does the enemy strafe and things like that. Impact sound, stun montage, execute, hit. Okay, so right down here we've got impact Niagara, and then you just want to go ahead and choose your Niagara system that you have, and then the impact bone location. I did upper arm underscore R, and you can get the bone location just by going here and then just do bone location. You can just set up any of these bone locations. So that's how I set it up, and once I did that, everything is working. So let me go ahead and show you. Let's see. Let's go over here, and as you can see, it and the blood will spawn. So let's go over real quick how I set this up. So right here we did the Niagara function library. We import the library, and then we came down here. We declared the class, and then down below, right there. So right there, we do the Niagara impact spawn, U property, U Niagara system, impact Niagara. And then right here, we do the bone location where impact Niagara will spawn. Set up the U property for that and the bone location. Then we came over here to the CPP file, and I just set it up in the melee hit interface. Then you want to do the if impact Niagara, and you want to set up a F vector, and then you can go ahead and use the function library and spawn system at location. So that's how you set up a Niagara effect in Unreal Engine using C++. Thanks very much. Bye.